Viewers, welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. What we're seeing here is a dish that I prepared earlier. I'm still working on it. It's gonna be great. Can't wait. Yes. It's an Indian dish with a little bit of Greek and English mixed in, and Chinese. One of the most important parts of this dish, which I shall reveal the name in a moment, is the waiting. It's the waiting, the waiting, the waiting. Anyway, it's starting to come together now. So, MINPC. Well, that's a very good question. What about the rest of the conspiracy club? Going nowhere. Oh, cooking with gas. Oh, smell that aroma. My goodness. I don't just use a shortcut recipe. These are all original herbs and spices that I've mixed together myself, following an ancient recipe. I've got one or two more ingredients yet to go. I'm going to vegetabilize it and add some cream. But first, the waiting. You wait, and you stir a little bit, and you wait a bit more, do a little bit more stirring. Yes, that's the way. Mix it in there. Bit more waiting. Add these extra ingredients. Birdseye Shanghai. Yes. The birdseye Shanghai mix, because I live by myself, man. I'm not going to buy half a dozen different vegetables and chop them up and have leftover bits. It's just not economical. Here we go. Here we go. Now, the last piece of resistance, the cream. Yes. And it goes. Look at that symbol. Yes. Don't flood it. A little bit more stirring and waiting. Stirring and waiting. Stir it up. Wait for a little bit. See how it goes. See if any reaction. Well, yes, that's enough stirring for now. We can probably turn it off and just do some waiting. We'll strain the rice, get that sorted. There you go. I'm an NCP. There we have it. One of the most marvellous chicken curries anyone's ever going to taste. It's a little bit halfway between chicken tikka masala and butter chicken. It's my own original recipe. I didn't even know what an NPC was until I watched Thomas Sheridan's videos, calling everyone NPCs and sheeples and stuff. And then on the other side of the coin, everyone's calling each other cookers. I'm not a cooker. I'm not an NCP. I might be the world's greatest crime fighter. It's disputable. I haven't arrested anybody yet. But smoke 'em while you got 'em.